When is AI harm considered legally liable? Imagine a self-driving car causing an accident or a chatbot spreading false information. When does the law step in and hold someone responsible? That's what we're here to find out. Legal liability for harm caused by artificial intelligence depends on several key factors. First, if the AI is considered a product, its creators or manufacturers can be held responsible if the AI has a defect. This defect could be in design, development, or how it was deployed. If the defect makes the AI unsafe and it causes harm, the injured person can file a claim under product liability laws. The injured party must prove the defect directly caused the injury, and that the defect was foreseeable and could have been avoided with better design. Liability can also come from negligence. If the creators or operators of the AI failed to exercise reasonable care, like not properly testing or monitoring the system, they might be responsible if harm occurs. For example, if an AI system was known to malfunction but was still used without safeguards, and someone gets hurt, that could be considered negligence. The key is whether the harm was a foreseeable result of the AI's malfunction or misuse. In some cases, courts might apply strict liability, meaning the AI's creators or DUPLAs are responsible regardless of fault. This is more common if the AI is deemed inherently dangerous, like certain military or medical systems. But strict liability is debated because it can be unfair if the AI was developed following all safety standards. Existing laws about data privacy, discrimination, or consumer protection also play a role. If an AI system violates these laws, say it leaks personal data or makes biased decisions, those responsible can face legal action. When AI acts as an agent making decisions on behalf of a person or organization, courts may hold the provider directly liable, especially if the AI's actions were foreseeable or the provider failed to prevent harm. Special rules may apply when AI harms vulnerable groups, like children or people with disabilities. For example, if an AI chatbot influences a minor to self-harm, stricter liability standards could be enforced. One of the biggest challenges is proving fault because AI systems act independently and are not legal persons. This makes it hard to assign blame. That's why new legal frameworks are being developed to clarify who is responsible when AI causes harm. Some jurisdictions, like the European Union, are working on specific AI liability rules to make it easier for victims to get compensation and to create consistent standards across countries. In practical terms, AI harm is considered legally liable when the system is unsafe or defective, the harm was predictable, and the responsible party failed to meet legal or safety standards. If the AI acts as an agent or violates laws on privacy or discrimination, liability can also be triggered. As AI technology evolves, so do the rules, aiming to balance innovation with accountability.